If you're looking to house hack or you're an investor, this is the place for you. 563 Guelph Street. We're listed here in Midtown. It is a legal duplex. So we're talking 2 bedrooms, 1 bath upstairs, 1 bedroom, 1 bath downstairs. Upstairs is already tenanted with fantastic tenants, so it's already built and ready. Downstairs is vacant and ready for your tenant to move in. Or if you're looking to house hack, it's a great place for you to move in and start your investment. Backyard is large, updated inside, nice hardwood floors, well kept. This is a perfect home for you. Here we are inside of the upper unit. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath unit with its own contained laundry, large kitchen with an eat-in space, and this beautiful living room, hardwood floors, bright windows. It is currently tenanted, and this is how they live. This is the kind of tenant you can have in this home. How often do you get a kitchen like this in a rental? This has an eat-in space, room in the middle for prep, laundry is right there too, and this great sized kitchen. This has been updated at some point, and it is actually really, really lovely as a rental because it's so nicely done. Here we are inside the primary bedroom, and guess what? There is enough size here for a king size bed. I know it looks a little tight, but honestly, 2 bedside tables, king size bed, large window, hardwood floors, you've got it all. Here we are inside the second unit. Now there are 3 egress points in here, so it doesn't feel like a super dark basement, because look how big the windows are. It is a rainy day today. That's okay. You can still have lots of space in here and get lots of light. So this is the size of the living room. There's 1 bedroom down here, 1 bathroom, and a really nice kitchen too. This is a perfect rental unit. Here we are inside the kitchen. Look how big it is here. There's nice room for a kitchen island. If you want to sit here and eat, it's a little eating space. This is a storage area, about 6 by 6, which is really, really hard to find in a rental unit. And it has its own laundry, which still has storage space in there and room to dry your clothes. There's not much more you can ask for in a rental unit like this. If you're looking to house hack and live down in this unit, this is actually a really good space to do that. This is the primary bedroom. There's so much space down here, room for a queen or king size bed, and a walk-in closet. So when you're house hacking, you don't have to feel like you're giving up something because you have lots of space for yourself still in this unit. This is a 3-tiered backyard. So if you have a rental in here, you're looking for some space for yourself and some space for your tenant, it's all right here. You can separate it out by different levels. You got room for a patio, you got room for backyard games, you've got some nice trees here for some shade. The backyard is absolutely perfect if you're looking to rent this place out.